Unlocking the UPSC exam mystery begins with understanding its three stages: prelims, mains, and the interview. Dive deep into the syllabus for each stage, dissecting topics and subjects. Build a timetable that's as realistic as it is rigorous, ensuring each subject gets its due. Trust in the power of standard reference books and study materials, with NCERT books offering a solid foundation. Current affairs are your constant companions, so read widely and jot down notes for swift revisions. Flex your intellectual muscles with regular mock tests, and don't shy away from analyzing your performance. Revise, and then revise some more, honing your understanding of core concepts. Choose your optional subject with care, aligning it with your interests and strengths. Master the art of answer writing, focusing on clarity, structure, and coherence. Take care of your health, because a sound mind needs a sound body. Keep your spirits high, and remember, consistency and perseverance are your best friends. When you reach the interview stage, practice, stay informed, and polish your communication skills. Success in the UPSC exam is a marathon, not a sprint. Adjust your plan as needed and keep striving for your goal.